Hello everyone. It's been a while. Yeah, it's been a while. So I'm sitting here bored, thinking, let's take a short video. Let's show my friends what I am growing at the moment. So we grew a few more stuff. These bright glossy leaves. If you think that it is reminiscent of black sapote, you are correct. Because this is another Diospyros species, which is tropical. This is actual tropical persimmon. I'm, emphasizing on true tropical persimmon because one of my friends on YouTube was showing his tropical persimmons, which were actually khaki persimmons growing in Florida. If you grow a khaki in Florida, that doesn't make it tropical. This is a tropical persimmon. The velvet persimmon, sometimes called velvet apple. These are male and female, so I'm growing 6 of them. Only 3 are in, 4. Yeah, no. There is still this one here. It's opening now. 4 of them here. I have another 2. When they grow, we will see which is the male, the female, and graft them on on each other. These are Bacaureas. Here we have the first actual leaves and not the first emergers. This is one of the white varieties. This is another species of ice cream bean, unidentified, from São João in Brazil. Here I'm doing Chembedak again. I grew lots of Chembedaks this season. All of them died. I don't have even one of them alive, even though I planted maybe something around 10. Look, the thing with Chembedak, it's really easy to germinate, like most of fruits from the jackfruit family, the Artocarpus. They germinate really easily. They grow their first leaves really easily, and then they just die. No, they die just like that. So this time, as you can see in the pod, we are doing a mix with even faster drainage. It has a lot of pumice in there. Pumice, perlite, and peat moss. Peat moss wasn't the problem. As I've asked other people on Facebook, they told me they grow them even on just peat moss. It's not a thing, peat moss is not the problem. It's just that sudden death in Chembedak, it's a really often thing. So you just need a lot of them to, end up with a plant. So, we will try this and see what happens. This is a Chrysophyllum species. I got 2 of these, and then another 2 of a different species. Let me check the name. Okay. Again, we have an unidentified species from São João, just like the ice cream bean. So these 2 guys come from the same region. Here, this big seed. See, we have our first leaves. They came out just about a week ago. This is a Syzygium species. Syzygium verstigi. This I'm not growing for the fruits. This is for the leaves. This is an absolutely magnificent plant. It's never gonna go in the ground because it is ultra super tropical. I'm gonna keep it in a large pot so that I will be able to move it inside whenever needed. This is Johore, Lepisanthis alata. We have another one here. Where is it? This no, that's some. This, yeah. This is also Johore. This is the second one of that Chrysophyllum. Chrysophyllum, it's the star apple. That's the genus. This is a queenie mango. We have another growing tip there because the seed was actually, I bought one seed. By the time it came, it germinated inside the bag, and it was polyembryonic, so I successfully separated the embryos, and now I have 3 of those, 3 plants. Here is, how did we call this? This is a relative of lychee and longan. My brain stuck. Lanzones, yeah. This is Lanzones, the longong. This is again some Bacaureas. Nothing spectacular. This, I'm not gonna take it out. These tiny little seedlings. These are from the fruits a friend gave me earlier in the summer. We finally have some of them growing. This is Panama cherry. A really nice fruit. I really like them, so I hope they will grow. This I tend to forget. The grandiflora. Or grandifolia. What else do we have here? This is really tiny. This is that Australian plum, how was it called? Davidson, something like that. Here it is the red hybrid Jaboticaba. These are again Panama cherries. Did we cover everything? No, this is Cocoloba, but I don't remember the species. This? What was this? I grow too much stuff and I forget the names. This is the unknown fruit from Amazon. Yeah. You will think, why buy something that's not identified? For the action, the suspense, growing something that I don't even know the genus. There is some action in that. Growing a mystery plant. Here, these are freshly, not super freshly planted, but this box doesn't have any seedlings except of these two and these two, which are both new anonas for me. There we have germination of the seeds, we have roots, but no plants yet. Here it's about the same, except this pot, I don't know if you can see this, yeah? This is a Garcinia species that I already have 2 plants, but I wanted to source a third one from a different source so that I can compare the plants, because there seems to be some trouble in identifying Garcinia species, and some sellers sell seeds with the wrong identification, and I think I have that. So I wanted a third plant so that I can compare. So I bought a seed, and yeah, it has germinated, and we will see. This was Garcinia dulcis. Yeah, Garcinia dulcis. There is some activity on the other beautiful syzygium. There is a growing tip. Yeah, this is also one that you don't grow for the fruits. It's just for the leaves. Here we have another chembedak and some unknown thing. A friend was gifted a few seeds from India, from a friend from India, and he shared a few of the seeds, but we don't know what we are actually growing, so I don't know what's this. Maybe an anona, we will see. Here, oh no, that's a weed. Yeah, nothing else here. Here we have a Perennia, a couple of Abiu, a couple of Reticulata, seedlings from name varieties. We have Anilama here. This is Anilama. Eugenia. This Reticulata has bounced back. Also this one. So, okay, we are good. All good. Here we have successfully rooted. Not enough light. I should have turned on the light of the camera. Anyways, we have successfully rooted 2 Panama cherry cuttings. Both of these have roots, but this one hasn't grown any leaves yet, but it has roots. I have checked. This has started growing, so yeah, okay. Hopefully. These are the other 2 velvet apples. We have something. Yeah, this is a Mercaria species. There we have an Artocarpus, a couple of more stuff there. This is a magnificent plant. This is truly magnificent. Look at the gloss on those leaves. This is Puteria, probably Macrocarpa, or no, or Longifolia. Anyways, yeah, the other stuff there are doing okay. So yeah, I brought everything inside. There is more stuff behind me, but we had like a couple of nights with 12 degrees Celsius during night. I was like, winter is here. Let's take everything inside. And after that was 2 nights. And after that, we returned at 20 degrees during night and 28 during day. I mean, yesterday we have 31. It's like, where's the freaking winter? I mean, the plants are loving it, but, you know, stuff in the forest start to die from the lack of rain. Here's everything. Yeah, we are doing okay. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next one.